Ayan po, nakikita niyo ha, yung bagong arrive na kasama natin. Wow! Ayan. The very best handsome owner of Gold Bicycle Bike. Ayan. Ayan, nandito na sa workshop, dito sa shop. Ready for assembly. Ayan. This is the nice shop of Mr. Mustafa. As you can see it, the lot of display. See? Ayan po yung mga new arrival natin, mga kaibigan, no? Meron po tayong mga camp dito. I will send you the details later on. Okay. Java camp, and they can show you this one. Ayan. Ayan yung display ng camp. Napakaganda. Ayan po. Meron tayong size 48, boss. 48, 50. Ayun. Yung mga size.
This is the part for Java development.
Ayan yung parts daw. Ayan. Better boss, we go inside.
That's assembling. Here we have a pedal.
Ayun ang pedal niya.
Pedal for sure this factory will give ordinary pedal because the professional riders will choose later for flat or seat pedal. This for temporary they will give.
Okay. Nice. Nice demo.
And saddle.
The saddle. Okay. Saddle sa Tagalog, upuan.
And some seat post.
Yung seat post na made of what post? Seat post. The seat post is made of carbon.
Carbon seat post.
Ayun. Ayun, ang ganda. Okay. Polycarbon na yon yung seat post niya, guys. Take note.
This rotor. This rotor.
Oh. This reserve, boss, or what? This the reserve, or this the
For I think for front is open.
this front?
Yeah,
Oh.
rear is installed.
Mhm. Okay.
And we have through axle.
Ayun.
Front through axle.
Mhm.
And here is spacer for the handlebar.
Okay. Ayun, manual niya. Manual.
And reflector.
Reflector.
Optional for anyone. Like
It's up to you. You can use it.
storing in the bike.
At least there is.
Yeah. And seat lamp like this inside. That's it. I'll get to workshop to install.
Let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Punta tayo ng workshop. Ayun. Ayan o. Na-unbox nila. Oh, slowly. That's my bike. Slowly. I don't want any scratch. Ayan. This is our good mechanic. Yes. What is your name, my friend? So they know? Ram. Ayan. In English, Ramsey. Yes. You see the boss? Say hi, boss. Shout out to all the bikers.
Oh, let's not bikers.
Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung pinapakita ni boss kanina. Sabi nga niya, 105 yan. Guys, take note. Yung group set niya, 105 na rin. 11 speed na, boss?
Yes.
1. Yan, 11 speed yan.
Continental tire.
Ayun. Continental.
Yeah, continental tire.
Yan, continental na yan. Mga guys.
Transport.
Yan. Yung budget nyo, kung swak yung budget nyo rito. Okay na to. The rim is made of light alloy, boss, no? Yung rim lang. Take note, guys. Yung rim, light alloy lang to, no? Yung super light alloy siya. Okay? Pero full carbon na yan. Internal cabling na yan. Wala na kayong makikitang kable. They cannot see any cable from the handlebar, no, boss? Yan. Oh, internal. Internal. Slowly, my friend. This is mine. Ayan. Okay, guys. Update ko kayo. Mamayang kompleto siya. You can see it after full assembly, okay? Okay, guys. Yep. Ayan, guys. Ayan ang internal cable, no? Wala kayong makikitang cable sa harap. Slowly, my friend, ha? This is my bike, no? Napakaswerte nung nagmamayari nito. Joke lang, prank lang, hindi sa akin to. Hindi natin kaya ang presyo nito. Ayan. Napakaganda po. Ram, everything okay? Good. You're from Nepal. Kaya lebay. Tike? He's from Nepal, Mr. Ram. The number one mechanic. Not in Qatar, no? Number one in the world, no? Okay. We'll update you for the assembly. Yan ang internal cable. Wala kayong makikitang cable. You cannot see any cable from outside. Yan, no cable. See? Very cute. Ito lang ang gulong. The tire is the cup and Continental, no? It's Continental tire. Ayan. What is the size of this one, my dear? 46. Yung handlebar niya 46. Ito.
Ayan, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung saan po dumaan yung cable. Dito lang po nakalitaw yung cable. Pagdating po dito, nakapasok na po sa loob. Hanggang dito, hanggang doon po. Wala na po kayong makikita. Ayan. Ayan, malinis na malinis siya. So, dito lang po lumabas yung cable niya sa likod. Tsaka doon, sa loob doon. Ayun. Ayan. How about the cable here? Where? Ayan, ayan. Ang cable nandito sa loob. So, lahat po nakatago na po yung kable. Ayan po. This is the one. Yeah. Ayan. So far, so good. Right? Yes.
Balik tayo guys, ayan yung seat post po. Itong seat post na to, full carbon na to. Full carbon na po yung seat post nya. Ayan. Ayan po, full carbon na po yan. Ayan. Again, reminders, no, yung gulong nito, yung rim nito, super light alloy siya. Okay, hindi po siya carbon. Ang carbon dito, fully carbon. Itong frame, handlebar, carbon. All carbon, no? Only the rim. What is this one? The crank is alloy. Ayan, ang crank niya, alloy siya. Halotech already. Ayan, halotech na rin po. Ayan po, halotech na rin po. At naka 105 na rin. Ayan. Ayan po, yung pag-assembly, tsaka pag-unboxing, assembly. Dinodocument na po natin. Ayan. Ayan guys, update ko kayo. Yung palang saddle nito, ayan, decap na rin. Good brand na rin. Ayan po. Napakagaan niya. Ayan. Decap na po yan. Tapos po meron siyang saddle post na full carbon. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan, decap. Another update po. Ayan po. Malapit na po matapos yung assembly. There's no sound. Tunog mayaman. Ayan, tingnan natin, abangan natin kung tunog milyonaryo ito. Ayan. Stop. Ayan, narinig niyo yung sound. Tunog milyonaryo na. How many speed, my dear? 11. Ayan, 11 speed siya. Ayan, 11 speed. 2 by 11, no? 2 by 11, 105. Ayan. Po ayan po, yung seat post, no? That is alloy, no? Ay, this is carbon, no? Ayan, carbon na yan. Ayan. There is cover this one? Yun, may cover. Don't fix permanent, ha? After I will check the size. Okay. Take note mga kapadyak, no? Hindi ito yung original, ito yung kasama sa box na pedal, no? Ordinary pedal lang yung kasama niya. Ngayon, ito pinalitan na natin. Nasa inyo na po kung magpapalit kayo. Pero yung buyer gusto niya palitan. Ayan, pinalitan natin. Sa kasunod sa kana, sa number ko. Ayan.